great outdoors. I'm a canoe guide for the Arkansas River, and I'm bringing a New York lady. She doesn't speak anything but Puerto Rican. Her name is Puente, down the river today. But it's her birthday and she has money, so I'm just decided to do it, even though she doesn't have any experience.
And so now we're heading out on the first stretch, the first leg of the dangerous river Whitewater here in the Arkansas. The first rapids are called the Great Plunge. And you can see why. It starts off pretty calm here, but then, hey, here's where the plunge is. You get a little wet, but because of my expertise, I'm able to get Fuentes out of here no problem. The next set of rapids we come to on the Arkansas is called the Big Dipper. Again, it starts off relatively calm, but then again, you take your second great plunge. And again, because of my expertise, we make it out. The next is Suicide Leap. A few people have lost their lives here. You'll see that big rock on the right. I've hit that a few times and got wet a couple times. Fuentes actually fell out right here, but I was able to grab her and get her back in the canoe before we got to this dangerous stretch of river. And again, we made it out safe. The last section is called Heaven Sender, because this section of the river has sent quite a few people to heaven because of the dangerous rapids. You can see right here. You'll be able to see us come down right in here. Here we come. And again, I did a little pirouette there. It's a very expertise move. And again, I get Fuentes down the river safe, no problems, because I am the expert on the river. Another safe adventure through the Whitewater Rapids of the Arkansas. Wow, what a time we had. What an experience we had. It was great bringing Fuentes down the river with me and for her to experience this rapid whitewater adventure. Here's a little note to remember. If you look at my life jacket here, those buckles should be buckling, but it's way too tight. I visited a country buffet and had way too much on the buffet line. Don't make this mistake. You need a safe life jacket that buckles. And also don't forget, when you're on the canoe trip with me, there is incredible wildlife to see, like eagles that fly through the air. They're just everywhere. You can't miss these. And also there's pelicans. These are incredible birds. And white cranes. You'll see a bunch of white cranes on our adventure, and red-tailed hawks. The name of the canoe company here in Pueblo is Whitewater Adventures Incorporated. And I'm the expert whitewater river guide that will guide you through a rip-snorting adventure of a lifetime. Don't forget to book your trip today at timtimpro@aol.com. Whitewater Adventure opens June 1st and we run through August, so hurry and book your whitewater canoe adventure today. See you on the river, buckaroo.